Lake Erie Golf Cars has transformed this used 2015 48-volt TXT into a sleek campground head turner. Custom rims and performance tires help traverse the rugged trails. Safely travel within a campground or community with turn signals, headlights, and taillights. Add a charging port and accessory switches for lighting options. New 8-volt batteries and cables are installed for all refurbished models. Bring along extra passengers or cargo with a folding rear seat that also features an underneath storage compartment. This used 2015 48-volt TXT is ready to take home today. Use the link in the description to see all of our inventory and make this summer memorable in a golf cart.